So, good evening, friends. Welcome to Equity Education, Price Action Trading. I am Suhas Fruitwala. Let me give something about myself. I am in equity market since 2005-2006. I was working in pharma in 16 years. 3 years back, sir, I have left the job. Now I am full-time in front of you as a full-time trader, investor, mentor. And I'm official sub-broker of Motilal Oswal. So most welcome to associate with me if you want to learn to trade, learn to invest, if you want to open demat account, if you want portfolio management, most welcome to associate with me. Okay, sir. So let me tell you about something myself, sir. When I was doing job now, at that time the net was very costly, sir. At that time, my internet mobile bill was almost 900 rupees. And at that time, 900 rupees is a very big amount. But at that time, sir, I never think it's such an amount because I was investing in myself to gain the knowledge. Because I am doing the job in pharma field, there are so much waiting. So I would love to utilize my time to learn the things online, sir. Okay, at that time, that was my passion, sir. Now, 3 years back, almost 3.5 years back, now passion as a profession, which gives me a good result as of now. Of course, 100 people are already online. It's good number, sir. Okay. First of all, I would like to thank you very much for Santu Baba. Again, he has given me a privilege to interact with you third time. This is my third webinar during lockdown. First webinar I have conducted with a few candlestick patterns like decisive, indecisive, which are basic, with patterns like Darvas box theory, means range bound moment, means lockdown moment, when stock is struggling in certain range, unable to cross certain levels or unable to go up or down beyond that level. So that theory was lockdown theory, which I have already highlighted to you. Second theory, which I have conducted in second webinar, that is how we can execute a trade based on the double top, double bottom, multiple top. This is a very effective pattern, and which I have already highlighted to live market also with Nifty in our sharing and carrying group. So these are very rewarding pattern. If you are already in an uptrend and you are getting double bottom, it's already rewarding. When you are already in a good downtrend and you are getting double top, it's already rewarding. With lead stop loss, because you are very near to the bottom of the stock. So already you are getting good quality of the trading with multiple top and multiple bottom. Okay, agenda of today is something different, and I would most of the times I would love to discuss the things which are going live as of now in the market. So again, the subject is almost same that way. How Nifty is behaving, working as of now on a daily, weekly, and monthly time frame. I would love to discuss on that way. Okay, because there is the only live coverage which we are covering, and we can take follow up from Monday onwards. Okay, how Nifty is reacting based on that pattern. Okay, sir.
Sir, one question before you move. सर वो दरवाज बॉक्स का लॉकडाउन जो बॉक्स का वो आप स्कैनर देते बोले सर लास्ट टाइम वो दे सकता है क्या?
We'll update you, sir. You can search in charting, sir. There are so many scanners of Darvas box. There are so many scanners. Just find it and find the thing which is really showing the good Darvas box. Right, sir? Definitely, I will share in charting, but I have to find, because I have made one and then I have deleted it because I am not finding good result from it. So again, I am going for it and I will share in sharing and carrying. Don't worry, sir. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir. But it's a better focus on naked eye. Sir, if you use scanner now, you will only find the thing which is in the scanner. But if you scan the stock with naked eye now, you will find everything which is in your mind. You will get better trade with naked eye scanner, sir. It go for not a limitation. There's an unlimited opportunity if you find stock with naked eye, sir. And I used to stop daily scanning, sir, with naked eye with my students, sir. And I'm getting more than 15-20 stock daily to trade tomorrow, just based on naked eye scanner, because we are finding so many tricks and analysis with it, sir. Okay, so let me start from my side, and then I will give you a chance to interact with you. Don't worry, and don't worry, sir. You can ask me anything in between also, right? मेरी link नहीं टूटेगी, sir, because my training is not scripted. Whatever you ask me, whatever you discuss me, it can open the gate of what I am going to represent in front of you, sir. Believe me, sir. Whatever you ask me, you will get it, sir. According to whatever I know, I will try on my level best to solve all your query, to solve all your doubts, sir. Right, sir? Okay. So let me go for my presentation, sir. Thanks to Santu Baba, sir. I have again with you, sir. Believe me, sir, previously I never used to make such a presentation, sir. I used to directly go through the all this thing, whiteboard and but from last 3 webinar, I am focusing with presentation also because there are so many people, so many questions, so many doubts. So I have to prepare presentation to make things easy to be executed. Like so, okay, sir. Equity question. It's my okay. So I am Suhas Sutra. I have already highlighted the thing in what I am, what I did, and what I am as of now. Okay. So today is a price action. Basically, I am focusing on price action, sir. And duration is 1 hour plus. The last question I am all in front of you. Don't worry. Don't be hurried to ask the question. Don't be hurried to discuss with me. I am here till last question. And today's subjects are first is a Nifty 360-degree means all the Nifty analysis, then patterns which I am going to highlight to only one pattern is there, and then question answer session. Right, sir? Okay. So as of now, I'm going to highlight one video which is a preschool video. Believe me, sir. I received a video few days back from one of my nephew. Right. So it's a very good. Maybe you have seen or not. Just you can go through the video and you can guess the answer also. You can type your answer in a chat box also. But important is the concept of understanding that video. I don't want that you give right answer or wrong answer. But important is for me to you can understand concept or not. Okay, sir. So going through the video. Okay, sir. The problem is that we are getting the video and which gives the direction of both. Bus can be go any direction. I am getting any side it can go. I am receiving so many answers. Someone say right side, someone say left side. But out of the imagination, the answer is left side because the answer is left side. Why? Answer is left side because in India we are going to drive the bus on a left side according to rules, and here we can't see the gate to exit from bus or to enter the bus. So gate must be on a left side so that we can say the bus is going, of course, sir, left side. Got it, sir? Hello. Got it, sir? It may be changed
Yes,
from the country to country, right, sir? But answer is the simple. That is from this side, the bus is going according to the exit door of it, sir. So market is behaving such a way, sir. Same way, sir. We can't identify if we are going for a buy, we are going for sell because for each and every trade they are having the probability of one buyer and one seller, and both are thinking both are the right. But again, important is the entry which we are missing in this bird and which we are missed to focus here, sir. If we focus on entry, we can easily get the direction of the trade. So just focus on entry with right direction. Okay, so clear with the all these things. So let me go for today's agenda. I'm going to highlight three things in front of you, sir. Thing number one, there are so many patterns to study the technical analysis. So one thing I'm going to highlight to you, that is a simple can't be harder than complex. The answer was very simple, but it looks very harder, sir. This is the finest thought I have received today morning from Telegram group from Steve Jobs thoughts, sir. So which inspired me to make this presentation with this video, sir. So simple can be harder than complex. You have to work hard to get your thinking clean to make it simple, but it's worth it in the end, because once you get there, you can move mountains. So again, Steve Jobs here focusing on the simplicity, whatever you are doing with the simplicity. And believe me, friends, what are the successful trader is the word now? They are having very simple setup to trade. They are not going for a complicated setup. They are not doing the too much analysis, too much indicator, too much oscillators, sir. They are going very simple way, but their execution of that trade matters a lot. So just focus on simple setup and more focus on the process to execute it nicely. Okay, sir. So let's move for my agenda. First thing I'm going to highlight is a continuation pattern. So market is having almost three type of patterns. One is continuation pattern, second is reversal pattern, and third is a neutral pattern. So continuation pattern means what? A continuation pattern which suggests that price will continue the move. If stock is going upwards, it may continue upwards after making of that pattern. Just example is pole and flag. Let me give you the image of the pole and flag. How pole and flag is being formed? Sir, when market is going one direction, like anything 2 to 3 days or maybe 2 to 3 weeks, with one side direction and big candles, maybe red or maybe green, then it may go to little bit consolidation form. So the direction which is very strong, maybe strong 2 to 3 green candles or red candles, which may form as a pole. Strong up moves and strong down moves can form the pole. And after any big up move and down move, there is a chances of the consolidation, retention. It can be anything. It can be distribution also. It can be accumulation also. But most of the time, it is a simple pole and flag. It used to be accumulation, means reversal pattern. If there is a pole and flag, most of the time stock used to continue the uptrend on the upward direction. Similarly, sir, in inverted pole and flag after consolidation, stock used to continue a downward direction. So that's why this thing is known as continuation pattern. The stock is continue its trend which we are already observing with pole and flag. Okay, continuation pattern. So let's move ahead. Is there any issue with continuation pattern, sir? Any confusion, any query, any doubts?
It's clear, sir.
Okay, sir. Continuation pattern is a simply continuation pattern as name suggests. Let's move to the exact opposite topic, that is a reversal pattern. As name suggests, continuation pattern continue the trend. Reversal pattern change the trend. Means if stock is going upwards, it may reverse the trend of the market or stocks. And if going downside, if stock is going downside, after reversal pattern, it may change the direction towards upside. And best example I have already highlighted to you last webinar, there's a multiple top and multiple bottom, which are the best example of reversal patterns. Okay. So again, I'm moving for a chart. There's a triple bottom, which I have already shown you, like IULCP. It made a multiple bottom and bounced like anything from 175 to 370, 350 almost. And again, you can see from same levels IULCP bouncing as of now also, sir. Triple bottom, multiple bottom. These are the reversal pattern from the level. Stock is bouncing again after down move. It can go up move, and from triple top or multiple top or double top, stock is going upwards and again going downwards after making this reversal pattern. Clear, sir? Any confusion with reversal pattern?
No.
Sir, how to confirm whether it is a triple bottom or double top or multiple top? How
Okay.
to know that?
Okay. Let me show you on the chart. Okay, for that, as of now, I'm going for the chart of TCS. You can see TCS is forming multiple bottom like anything, sir. Right, sir? This is a weekly chart of TCS. Huh? You can see the multiple top. Dot level, sir, you are getting from reversal. It is going up and going down. And if I little bit zoom it from weekly to daily, na, this is a daily time frame. You can see this is a multiple top from the same levels. So whenever stock used to touch it, it used to change the trend. It is going upwards and touching and again going down. You can see this is a multiple top. So this is a best reversal pattern as of now, best example. Got it, sir? Hello, who asked me?
Yeah, still not clear. Still not clear because it is making multiple bottom also because
Yes, the
it
multiple,
depends upon the way you look at the chart.
multiple bottom, you can again go for, sir, if I draw multiple bottom here, na, it's working like a normal channel. Means stock is going up, down, up, down, up, down between certain range, sir. Clear, sir?
Okay, okay,
So I
okay.
am getting both reversal pattern here, sir.
Yes.
Upwards to down, sir, downwards, downwards to upwards, which is known as normal channel. Clear, sir?
So we need to wait for channel breakout.
Yes, channel breakout, channel breakdown is the best time. And you
Okay.
can see TCS attempted so many times for 52-week high. It made 52-week high, huh? You can see here made 52-week high, huh? And again reverse. Here make 52-week high, again reverse. So it's a big indication for bear side and trend reversals. Clear,
Okay.
sir?
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Sir,
sir.
which time interval is better to identify these trends?
Pardon, sir?
Which time interval graph is better to identify these trends?
So you can do in any time frame. Any time frame, even you can do in intraday 5 minutes also, 15 minutes also, daily also, weekly also, monthly also.
Okay.
Just time frame gives you a time for a trade.
Okay.
If I am an intratrader, I used to focus on 5 and 15 minutes, sir.
Okay.
I am little bit seeing or positional trader, I used to focus on 1 hour or 4 hour time frame.
Mhm.
If I am a long-term investor, I used to focus on daily or weekly or monthly time frame.
Okay.
Right, sir?
Okay, sir. Got it.
So
Okay.
it's vary from person to person, trader to trader, looking to its trading style.
Okay.
Right, sir? But it works in all the time frames. Crows are black everywhere. Everywhere buyers and sellers are there. So they used to make such a patterns of multiple top, multiple bottom, which are the reversal patterns.
Okay.
Okay, far. Okay.
Oh, okay, sir.
So can I move ahead with the presentation, sir?
Yes, sure.
Just last pattern, there is a neutral pattern. So if I consider, sir, one candlestick pattern, so doji and spinning top used to work as a neutral pattern. But some symmetric triangle type pattern also working as a neutral pattern, sir. Because whenever there is a symmetric triangle pattern, like this, it used to blast on any one direction, and sometimes we are not even getting entries, sir. It blasted like anything. If you remember 2 days back, and we did analysis of the symmetric triangle with Mayank, sir. Mayank GS and I was discussing that Reliance is going to blast. And it was blasted because there was a symmetric triangle on a 5-minute time frame. Got it, sir? So that's why it rewarded like anything. It blasted, and we already discussed that we are looking for a big green candle formation, and we got it, sir. So that was a best live example. You can check the chat also. You can check the chart also. Chart are already there. Symmetric triangle. I think it was done on a Thursday noon after almost 1 p.m. Right, sir? Symmetric triangle. And this also just imagine, sir. Here Poland flag is there. Sir, please choose a peaceful place. There are so many. Of course, sir, I have already told you that symmetric triangle is a neutral form. Got it, sir? But sometimes what happen, symmetric triangle may happen here also. So at that time, it is considered as a continuation, part of the continuation pattern, part of the Poland flag. So go for independent symmetric triangle pattern as a neutral form. Again, the example is same. Let me show you the example again, the chart of the TCS. You can see this is a symmetric triangle pattern, sir. Let me delete all. Okay. This is a symmetric triangle pattern and it
सर बजाज ऑटो या बजाज फाइनेंस में मेरे ख्याल से एक पैटर्न था ये
let me,
सिमेट्रिक पैटर्न.
don't worry, let me check. Let me clear with the as of now. It is a symmetric triangle pattern in TCS and you can see it was blasted like anything on intraday. Right, sir?
Right.
Very big up move. Why? This is a symmetric triangle pattern. Most of the time it is not easily give us entry. And you can see on a second day, what is there? Which pattern is this, sir? Can anyone say who are familiar with the candlestick patterns?
Bearish Harami inside bar.
Bearish Harami, sir. Right, sir? So one side up move, one side again bearish Harami pattern after breakout. So I am already suggesting you, I am not looking this market as a positional market as of now. Because one day we are getting 200-point gap up, second day we are getting 200-point gap down. How can we manage with the risk of the stop loss of 200 point in Nifty? No, na sir. 200 point का stop loss तो नहीं होगा ना सर आपका. 200 point का stop loss होगा तो minimum 400 to 600 point आपका target होना चाहिए सर. So as of now, market I am not looking good for positional trading. This is a best example as of now how market is reacting with such a patterns. And sir, simple thing is that this symmetric triangle pattern on a daily time frame. Okay, sir. So let me go for a weekly time frame. What it is forming, sir? It's a doji. It's a spinning top. So both are neutral formation. Means right. On a daily time frame, symmetric triangle which showing the neutral pattern. And on a weekly time frame, it is also showing the neutral patterns like spinning top and doji. And let's get on a monthly. What is this, sir? It's a doji, sir.
Doji.
Again, it's a neutral formation. Means daily, weekly, monthly, or all showing the same neutral formation in TCS. You can check with the multiple time frame. You have already observed the thing with the sun. This is a son, ना sir? ये लड़का है sir, बेटा है. Weekly उसका father है sir, और monthly उसका grandfather है. You can see all the three generation are in a neutral form. Means direction is yet not clear where to go. So this is a best example as of now for a multiple time frame with the TCS neutral pattern, sir. Any confusion, sir?
Sir, in this weekly time frame,
it's a weekly time frame, sir. Weekly time frame forming spinning top doji and doji almost, right, sir? Both are the neutral formation. They are not clear direction of the market from where side TCS can go. Clear, sir?
Can it be ascending triangle?
This is ascending also. You are right, sir.
Okay.
The ascending triangle. But sir, this is a weekly time frame, sir. I have to execute on a weekly time frame from ascending triangle. I need breakout here. Sir, I am already getting on daily. So as of now, if I am doing analysis on weekly time frame, which is a father, I have to execute trade on his son. That is a daily. Got it, sir? Clear?
Clear.
Any other doubts? Real time with all patterns. So market is having only three type of patterns. Trend reversal means a reversal pattern, continuation pattern, then right, sir. So now I am going for a Nifty and will highlight some patterns in front of you, which is already supporting today's analysis. Okay. So this is a Nifty. You can see this is a big inverted pole formation with the big red candle, big down move, sir, followed by flag, which is a ascending channel, sir. This is a ascending channel. Now this is a continuation pattern, sir. So most of the time I am biased with downside moment and I got a breakdown and then rewarded like anything. Most of the time target would be the height of this pole according to a textbook. And we have got more than that, sir. This is the best example of inverted pole and flag. Clear, sir?
Just a
Say
clarification on this one. The flag is bigger than the pole. Is it a valid one?
it's a valid, sir. There is nothing mandated in
Okay.
market, sir.
Acha, take
Sir,
it. Okay.
many analysts are saying that flag should be small, flag should be down. But we can't control a thing. If consolidation goes longer, what should we do? We should have some setup now to trade.
Okay.
I know the consolidation is longer. It not match with the inverted pole. It is not matching, sir.
Does we have anything pole length like this many candles or anything like that?
No, no, no. Nothing. You may find all the patterns here. You may find anything here. All the patterns may be descending triangle, ascending triangle, symmetric triangle, Darvas box. Many things you may find here. According to you can execute your trade ahead.
So where should be our entry here? At the second candle? At
Yes.
the beginning of the second candle?
Yes, you can sell below this
Okay.
with a stop loss of this high
Okay.
on a layman terms. Huh?
Okay.
Right, sir? The simplest way. Again, sir, I am going to highlight you these things, sir. Okay, sir. This candle when finance minister has announced something regarding the corporate tax and all this thing, right? So there is a big move of Nifty, and again followed by flag type of pattern. Now many traders are going for objection with me that this is not a pole and flag pattern according to a textbook. But what I am seeing here, a very big move. I am going for a logic. What is logic behind pole and flag? When stock is moving like anything for 1 or 2 days and making 1 or 2 big green candles, and then stock goes to the consolidation form or retention form where some are exiting. I am getting the same logic as of now. If you ask any technical analysis, it may oppose this thing. This is not a perfect pole and flag. Of course, this is not a perfect pole and flag, but I am getting the logic. When Nifty is going like anything just 2 days, consolidation would be also longer, sir. Right, sir? So I considered at that time this is a pole and flag, and we again rewarded. Again, sir, as of now, Nifty, you can see this is a big downfall, which is looking like a pole to me, inverted pole, and then again flat. But it gives me clear idea on weekly time frame. Since last almost 15 to 20 days, I am only giving Nifty 360-day analysis with pole and flag only. I already mentioning that I am looking for pole and flag. If you are not clear with this pole and flag, go for weekly time frame for get the clear logic, sir. From here, I am looking for pole and flag and I am getting it. You can check it, Nifty 360-degree posting. And still I am getting that move. I am considering there's a big downfall. It downfall like anything for 12,000 to 7,500. So I would love to consider this thing as an inverted pole with big red candles. And then followed by flag, which is like a ascending channel, sir.
Can we put the Fibo on this to see the target, sir?
It did dot 38.2. Right, sir? What do you want more from the Fibonacci than this, sir? No, na, sir. It's a very accurate, na, sir?
Right.
I think we have discussed this thing last webinar also.
Yeah, last webinar you discussed already, right?
I am looking for this thing. I am looking for gap up from this level and I got dot. Open is equal high, you can see gap up from the Fibo level and dot reverse from there. So levels are working like anything in Fibonacci is a nature which comes in for buying and selling behavior also. We are focusing and we are seeing this live as of now. Sir, please choose peaceful place. Yeah. I have to mute many times and don't want to mute all. I want to do interaction like anything with all of you. Right, sir? So as of now, I am looking this thing is a inverted pole and flag, which is a reversal pattern or continuation pattern, sir?
Continuous pattern.
So,
Continuation.
now we are biased more towards downside, sir. And what can be the execution on weekly time frame? Suppose I may get such an entry I can go for a positional selling here this way. And now I am doing deja vu. So I can sell below this for a below targets, right, sir? And more pain can be visible below 7,500, which is a 52-week low or multi-year low, which we already experience few weeks later. Clear, sir, with this execution? Hello?
So here you'll be selling in the second candle or
Yes.
the third candle?
After breakdown, sir.
Okay.
Because market is always ready for a surprise, give us surprises, sir. It's not mandatory. It can go downwards. Nothing is mandatory. I can give you so many examples where I can find reversal pattern also. Array, continuation pattern also. Let me show you. Daily time frame, which stock I forgot. Okay. Tata Consumer, yes. Now it's a Tata Global, now it's a Tata Consumer. You can see Tata Consumer, right? Where I was seeing weekly. Okay. Tata Consumer, or I forget the stock. It was okay. Yes, Tata Consumer, and I forget the time frame. Tata Consumer, or, yes, Tata Consumer it was. Yes, let me show you. Few days back. Yes, these are Tata Consumer. It's going down and making. You can see going down with two big green candles and make the pole, inverted pole, then goes through little bit consolidation and started climbing upside towards the target of the gap. And it did the gap target. Huh, right, sir? Now, what happens, sir? Continuation pattern working as a reversal pattern. So nothing is mandatory in market. Whatever direction you are getting the trade, just focus on it without doing biasing. Sir. Clear, sir? Any confusion with this pattern? We are getting contrast move with Tata Consumer. Any confusion, sir, with this strange example? Hello, 100 people are there.
Can we say this is a morning star pattern at the doji?
Yes, it's a morning star pattern, yes, sir. But when there is a big such a pole, no, this morning star would be ineffective, sir. Right, sir?
Sorry, can you repeat?
When there is such a big downfall, no, big candle, which is a panic selling, no, sir.
Okay.
So it can be ineffective, sir. I'm not looking this thing ineffective because candles are very small. It's looking like a consolidation. Right, sir?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. So this from my side. Let me show you one more thing of the gold, which I did on Friday evening. And I did live with my student. So you can see this is a big downfall. I was already in a sell from upside, from below this. Right, sir? I'm already sell below this and I got this pattern. I continue my trade here after breaking down. This is a 5-minute time frame in gold.
So how to know which time frame to select for which stock, which condition?
Pardon, sir?
How to know which time frame to select for which stock in which condition?
Sir, depends, sir. Believe me, sir, I am having very less patience being an intraday trader, sir. So most of the time, I can't wait longer. So I used to follow the 5-minute time frame, even in commodities. Commodities working from 9 a.m. to 11:30 p.m. Means almost, we can say 13 hours, 14 hours. But still, I am looking for 5-minute time frame. It's matched with my psychology of the trading. That's why. You can do 15 minutes, you can do 30 minutes, sir. Right, sir? But according to my psychology of the trading, my trading style, 5 minutes is the best for me. So I did continue this trade here and I rewarded like anything on gold Friday evening, sir. Right, sir?
What is the stop loss for this speeding chart?
Stop loss for this is again in, sir, I'm already holding here, sir. So I was telling the stop loss. I was already in a sell side. I was telling the stop loss for cost to cost.
Okay, what is the trailing stop loss?
Trailing stop loss means what? Let me give you on a whiteboard. What is trailing stop loss? So sometimes what happen in a routine layman terms, we are buying stop at buying price is 100 rupees. Right, sir? This is our entry point. We are buying for 100 rupees. Right? Our stop loss is 95 rupees. And our target is 1110 rupees. Right, sir? What happens, sir? After achieving 1110, your price action, your experience suggests that it may go for further higher levels. So now, what would be my target? My target is 120. Right, sir?
Okay.
And my stop loss can be 115 or 1110 according to the situation. Right, sir? I maybe go for these. If again my target would be 130, my stop loss would be again 120 or 125. Got it, sir?
Yeah, I got it. But for that screenshot what you are showing, there which candle would be the trailing stop loss for you?
So do you have no, as of now we are not considering this candle, sir. We are considering the level only. We are trailing which discipline we are following. We put 5 point as a stop loss and 10 point as a target. So we would love to trail that scenario ahead to move ahead with the trailing. You can apply same thing on a candle also, sir. Right, sir? Just imagine I'm executing same thing on candle. Okay. So I sorted here as of now. Let me give you I sorted here. I sorted here, sir. I got a good candle, sir.
Yes.
Right? Again, I can continue my trade here, or I can add one more lot here, sir. That I am confident it may go further down. And my stop loss would be this level. If it may generate buy call from here, let me show you. This is a continuation pattern, but it can be reversal pattern from here, no, sir? Then I can exit here, sir. Clear?
Okay. Yeah, I got it. Thank you.
Sir, technical analysis is more about common sense. Huh, sir? If you through with this price action, you don't require to work like a machine. Your price action suggests you. Sometimes what happens, sir? Sir, in most of the time, not a sometimes, sir. Sometimes what happens, you are going for a stop loss here, sir. Right, sir? And it reverses from that level. And it used to. It's a routine of the market, hitting stop loss and achieving the target. So that's why where our experience work, our common sense work. Sometimes you are so much confident that you are not going to exit in this trade because after going a big green candle, it may form inverted green candle also, sir. So again started towards this level. Right, sir?
Yes.
So don't catch running trains. These are my concept. Wait for at least, if you are working for a 5-minute time frame, if you are working for a 1-minute time frame, at least wait for that 5 minutes. Right, sir? Of course, it's happening sometimes out of 10 trade or 1 trade, you will made a big loss. But in a 9 trade, you will be benefited. It's a very rare situation. It blasted like anything. And you are only, if there is some news or some buzz is there, avoid trading, sir. You can't control that trade where there is a buzz is there. It can blast any side, sir. It can crash any side. Got it, sir?
Yes, thank you.
Okay, sir. Okay, so let me go to the presentation. I think I covered my presentation with this. Yes, sir. Sir, ma'am, I am not getting your voice clear.
अरे एगो ये टीवी चालू कर दथन इनका तो कुछ दिमाग नहीं काम कर रही लगो है.
Okay. So any other question from anyone regarding the strategy or this pattern or anything, you can ask me for any segment of technical analysis. The window is totally open.
Can you open, sir? Can you open the crude chart? Actually, there was a channel breakdown on Friday, and again it went up to achieve the target.
Which chart, sir?
Crude.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay, crude.
Crude in 5 minutes.
Time frame,
On
sir.
Friday, it made a channel breakdown and again it went up. How to trade in the
Which
same
time frame? Which
optional?
time frame, sir?
5 minutes, sir.
5 minutes, sir. Okay. So this is a channel breakdown, sir.
Yes.
So it rewarded already, sir. There is no issue. It's a breakdown and going down, sir.
There is one more breakdown. It went up again. I do a channel.
This is also executed nicely, sir. There is no problem, sir. This one, sir, breakdown and going up.
Wait a minute. I'll just check my
Okay, don't
chart.
worry. You can post the chart to directly to me or in a group also. There are so many experts we can discuss there. So simple thing is there. This is a base trade. Huh? Why this is a base trade? Because it's a going down, started breakout and again retesting. And now this is a high probability trade from me, sir, because it is attempted to enter inside the channel. So as of now, this is a base trade to execute it, sir. To be executed, sir. With descending channel, breakout, retesting, and again going upward in ascending channel. Got it, sir?
Sir, can you draw a channel? Can you draw a channel from here to this rounding bottom kind of thing? There also there is one.
This one, sir. This is a rounding bottom already there.
No, not here. Not here. On the latest price chart.
Which one, sir? This one.
Yeah. So that's also rounding bottom.
This is also rounding bottom, sir. Perfect, sir. But market is over. Right, sir? Market is over.
सर इसमें सिमेट्रिक ट्रायंगल भी बना हुआ है ना यहाँ पे?
Which one? This one?
No. The left side. Yeah, बीच still yeah.
Which one,
तो
sir?
वो डाउन ट्रेंड से आया ना, आपने बोला ना ये डाउन ट्रेंड होके सिर्फ अप गया और लास्ट में बीच में बस यही हाँ, तो ये सिमेट्रिक बना हुआ है यहाँ पे.
Yes, right, sir. You can consider this thing as a symmetric triangle also. Right, sir? You are going right way, sir.
Okay.
Right, sir.
सर यहाँ पे वॉल्यूम देखना पड़ता है कि can we go ahead along with the pattern?
I rarely see volume, sir. I rarely see volume. Price action are enough for me. I don't want to confuse myself, sir, with volume, sir.
Okay.
I am already getting, sir, good trades on a simple price action. Why to confuse myself? If you are familiar with the volume and you can manage it, then you can go ahead. Don't worry. I don't say I am doing mean I am right. In technical analysis, sir, no one was right, and no one was wrong. Because everybody is working based on own style and own setup and own behavior of the trading, sir. So nobody can say you are right or you are wrong, because this is not a perfect science. This science work for me, best for me. Right, sir? Volume is good. You can use volume. There is a breakout candle. If there is a good volume, now you can consider this thing as a seriously, sir. Strong aggressive candle because it's a breakout candle, right?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Any other question? Sir, ask me the process. Don't ask me the conclusion, which reward you. If you ask me the process, how to execute trade, how to hit stop loss, how to trail, it will help you. But if you ask me what can be done, what can be buy or sell in crude, did nothing but because no one knows कि crude में कल क्या होगा, Nifty में कल क्या. If you ask me what is the view of the Nifty tomorrow, I am ready with my plan, which I have already discussed with you.
Sir,
yes, sir.
Sir, the price action will be work it out on a Heikin-Ashi and the candlestick, or only for the Heikin-Ashi?
Which one, sir?
This pattern.
This pattern working on a everywhere. You can work on a Renko chart also. You can see this is a Renko chart.
Hello.
This is a Renko chart. We are working on Renko chart also, sir. This is a Renko chart. This is a ascending chart. Right, sir?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
The breakdown. It's all about the logic to deal with it, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
Yes, sir. Hello. I am muted again because there are so much noise. Okay, you can unmute and ask me.
Sir, how to confirm the pole? It's a continuous red and a continuous green.
How to confirm pole? Hello?
Yes, how to confirm the pole? Like continuous red candles or continuous green candles like that? Or a mix of candles
We
also.
need at least 2 to 3 good grid candles like this. So, as of now, what Nifty is forming is such a patterns. It may leads to the inverted pole, and if it may go upside, it may leads to the simple pole, right, sir?
Yeah, got it.
And then chances of the here reversal patterns or any retention or consolidation. Sorry, a little bit. Here you can find, right, sir? With Nifty is forming as of now, right now. And here the chances are such a pattern. It can be anything. You can find symmetric triangle pattern also, ascending channel, descending channel, Darvas box. Anything can be here. You can execute according to that pattern. It can form anything, huh, sir? Here. It must not every time ascending channel or descending channel. But the price structure, price action most of the time gives ascending and descending channel. When there is a big up move and down move, and it gives a clear execution. Right, sir? So
Yeah,
Nifty is giving clear execution like previous chart I have already shown to you, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
Any other question for technical analysis? You can ask me anything, huh?
Sir, what should be stop loss for the flag and pole?
Which one, sir?
For flag and pole pattern.
Okay, sir. So let me go back to chart again, sir. Sir, suppose these are daily time. Okay. Nifty. This is a inverted pole and flag pattern. Okay, sir. Right, sir?
Yes.
Is breakdown, sir?
Yes.
Right, sir? And it is going down. Now what happens, sir? I can't put my stop loss. If I'm a positional trader, I can't put my stop loss like this level or this level, sir. Believe me, sir. I'm not trading that way. Okay, that is a 100 entry point, 110 target and 95 stop loss. Sorry, sir, I'm not trading that way. Because most of the time 95 is going to hit and again stop going towards 110, 120, sir. So what my action plan would be? My action plan would be again generation of the buy call, sir. If it goes upside and if my buy call is generated, I will exit it, sir, and I go for a buy side. And if my buy call is not generated, I will continue sell side, sir. Market is having, this way, sir. Got it, sir?
Okay.
These are my way of trading, huh?
Okay.
If maybe you are not convinced or not, but I am getting very excellent result from all this.
Okay.
Because most of the time our stop loss is going to hit and again form reverse and continue the same trend.
Can you explain again, sir?
Okay. Am I muting? There's so much noise, huh? Okay. So as of now, this is a inverted pole and flag pattern, right, sir? So below these, I am sell side. Sir, for a safer side, you can put the high of this candle, huh? For a safer side. But what I am doing, I will wait. If it is going down, it's a good. But suppose it may bounce from here. Like this. And gives breakout from this ascending channel, then I will exit because now my buy call is generated. Now my target is this. Or I may get higher level also after breakout, sir. Got it, sir? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
If the pole is long, you don't require to worry a lot. If pole is short, your stop loss can be small. Simple thing is that because your target is reduced because the pole is very small. Clear, sir?
Okay, sir. Clear.
Maybe some are not convinced with this strategy. I don't mind, but I am getting excellent result because market used to hit your stop loss and continue your trade, sir. Believe me, huh? It's happening daily. Market will hit your stop loss and again give closing near selling level and again going towards the sell side. Right, sir?
Sir, what will be your views on Nifty and Bank Nifty from tomorrow?
Okay, great, sir. बहुत बढ़िया, sir. I missed to discuss. I have discussed this Nifty with you now. Okay, Nifty I will miss. Okay, daily time frame. So what is my view for Nifty tomorrow? So which pattern is this?
Gravestone doji.
Which is a bullish pattern or bearish pattern, sir? Of course, this is an indecisive candle, but sellers are more now. I am looking for a sell side below Friday low. This is the only plan as of now. Below Friday low, if it is not making new low, I am looking for both side. Right, sir? Hello. Friday low is my LOC to trade on Monday. Lakshman Rekha. Because believe me, sir, if you don't trade whole week, okay, but never miss Monday, sir. Do you know why? Anyone know? Why not? Why I am not suggesting to miss Monday trading?
No, sir. Can you please?
Because Friday candle is always benchmark for a Monday. Right, sir? You will get clear direction and good trade with good execution.
So what if tomorrow is a gap down? So what kind of strategy we can?
So I will wait for a little bit, pull up, and then again I go for a price action.
Okay.
Right, sir? Suppose I am going for 5-minute time frame. Let's check for a 5-minute time frame what can be done. Okay. This is a low, Friday low, right, sir? And what it can form? Gap down, right, sir?
Yes.
This way. Okay. I am doing deja vu according to your analysis. And believe me, sir, this is not a gappa baji and gut feeling, huh? This happened yesterday. Friday, sir. Gap down opening and going up and dot fill the target, sir. Right?
Yes.
Okay. So what I am looking, if Monday, it may form gap down like this. And gap down was there and their open is equal to low was there, no? Huh? I can buy with the target of these, and if it again enter inside, I can go for a bull. But again, if it may reverse from this LOC, no? Then I am going for sell side. Clear, sir?
Got it, sir.
Friday low is a Lakshman Rekha for me. Don't consider it goes and again down. Don't work that way, huh, sir? Always wait for candle closing. Don't catch a running train. What happened if you catch the running train, sir?
Sir, we need to wait for Friday low confirmation, either break down or break up.
Always, whatever time frame you are working, always wait for closing, whether 1 minute or 5 minutes. Don't be hurry. हाथ में खुजली होगी, but it may ruin your trade. Huh? Have a patience. Market gives lots of opportunity.
This is same for stocks also or only Nifty?
Stocks also.
So always look at the large 5-minute candle low.
Yes, it's working as a good strategy, huh, sir? Friday high and low working as a good for a Monday. Got it, sir? Why Friday high low is important? Can anyone say? Huh?
So might be the investors or the making their positions accordingly.
Yes. So most of the time what happened, most of the professional traders which are doing positional, right, sir? What they used to close their position on Friday. Suppose we are getting Friday weekly high closing. Means Friday closing is a weekly high closing, sir. Highest closing. Means professional traders जो है smart money haven't clear of their positions, they are still in a buy side, sir. What the logic, sir? If they are bearish, they must book profit on a Friday 3 p.m. Na? But they continue, they are not exiting and give us a Friday high closing, which is a weekly high closing. So next week I can look as a bullish or a market. because professional trader haven't square of their position on Friday closing. Similarly, I am getting Friday weekly low closing. I am looking bearish sentiment from next week because professional traders, positional traders haven't square of their sell position. Means they are continue with their sell position. They would continue bear for a next week also. Right, sir?
मेरा एक डाउट है
हाँ बोलिए सर.
सर अभी जो आपने टेक्निकल सिखाया है वो ऑप्शन चार्ट का ऊपर चलेगा
So don't go for option chart. Don't go for all this thing. Option chart, it's a very risky game, sir. Huh, sir?
नहीं ऑप्शन चार्ट में देखिए एक 5 रुपए 10 रुपए का है तो मैं ट्राई कर सकता हूँ.
I got the logic. You are thinking that double top, double bottom, these are pattern working on option chart or not?
हाँ सही है.
I have already attempted, sir. I am not getting good results, sir. Why? Because option is carrying most of the time two things, sir. How option is derived? Do you know, sir?
From the underlying asset?
Yes. And what are the formula? Layman terms, what are the formula for a option price?
P ratio, वो सभी है ना वो वाला.
Don't go for hi-fi thing. In layman terms, what is option? Right, sir?
Premium.
Just give me, just in a layman term. I am not going to make the thing complicated. My style is very simple. Huh, sir?
So time decay or
sir, option price, right, sir, is always equal to the intrinsic value plus time value. Right, sir? It's already out of the money. Right, sir? If OTM is there, it already having zero intrinsic value, and whatever value is there, it's a time value. Right, sir? And ITM is there, then it's carrying some intrinsic value and some time value. Right, sir? Got it, sir? Hello?
Yeah.
These are simple terms how option price is determined. In a simple layman, there are so many things in gigs, alpha and all the gigs you can go through it. But these are very simple terms so that anyone can understand. Intrinsic value and time value. When time decay was there, it may loss of premium also. Right, sir? VIX is also going up, down, ATI is also going down. So there is a very low probability if you are working on a option chart, sir. Right, sir? Okay, sir. If really you want to work with the option, go for the option data. Unwinding, call writing, you can study this. They will reward you more. Open interest, this will reward you more than the charts with the options, sir. Got it, sir? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Maybe many are doing, but I can't say they are wrong. Maybe they can tackle that time decay and all this thing. But I am not looking, this is very safe to trade such a way on the chart. Because the simple thing is that market liquidity is very high. Right, sir? In early morning. But between 12 to 1, it like muted market. And there is a formation of the, most of the time, there is a consolidation patterns. Sideway fine, sideway momentum is there. So it may change all your calculation if you follow technical analysis, technical chart with options. Right, sir? Hello?
Yes, sir.
You can use with option like ATP. You can use this term, this is working good. Right, sir? ATP, or you can say VWAP, volume weighted, right, sir? Volume weighted price. So you can, there are so many strategies are there. You can go for it, you can find many.
सर और एक क्वेश्चन है मेरा.
हाँ बोलिए सर.
सर ये hedging strategy का ऊपर कुछ आपका पास क्लासेस है?
No sir, I never hedge my position, sir.
Hedging strategy का ऊपर कुछ नहीं है?
I do less trading, but I do one direction trading.
Okay.
Hedging simply means what?
Hedging मतलब ऐसा बैंक निफ्टी buy निफ्टी sell ऐसा कुछ?
No. What do you mean by hedging? According, I want to ask you, what is your understanding about hedging?
Save for the money, not much more loss, making minimize the losses,
yes,
maximize the profit.
Yes, you are right. So what is this? Means hedging. The simple thing is, okay, sir. What you are saying, sir?
सिंपल है सर. मंथली मेरे को
let me explain you, sir.
मंथली मेरे को 3 से 5% मिल गए तो काफी है.
You can go for it. But it's a very
hedging strategy का कुछ आइडिया चाहिए.
It's a very safe trading style. I never do it, and I am not even expert with the hedging because I used to trade on one direction. Right, sir? In our group, where many option traders are there, you can ask him.
I'm not talking about options, sir. In future only. Only hedging means save my total base money.
If you are a positional trader, except this volatile market, you are a very good trader. You can be a very good trader if you do hedge the positions.
Okay.
Right, sir?
सिंगल साइड कितना लोग सक्सेसफुल हो सकता है? बहुत कम लोग हैं.
बहुत कम है सर.
हेजिंग में तो सेफ है. Total investment will be 100% safe.
Hedging gives you what? It gives you safety. What happens? Sometimes it may not give you good rewards, but it may reduce your loss.
Not reduce. 100% safe, sir.
No.
Right.
Again, sir,
investment is 100% safe. If I'm getting a 5% of profit in a month, it's more than enough.
Sir, you are getting. I am happy, sir. Sir, believe me, sir. Hedging is such a simple, na. Everyone should be in a profit, na. Why? The FIR should be.
That is the thing I'm asking you, sir. If you are doing on that any strategy, I'm ready to join with you.
No, sir, I am not.
मेरे पास ऐसा कुछ knowledge नहीं है तो मैं आपको पूछता नहीं तो.
So don't worry, sir. I am just ping me, sir. There are so many good hedger or option. You know, Mumbai seminar of Santu Baba 2 years back.
मैं नहीं गया. मैं कौन सा भी सेमिनार को नहीं गया आज तक.
One guy is there. I don't remember his name. He's a good option hedging strategy. He's having. Just ping me on WhatsApp. I will give his mobile number.
Fine. Maybe Bipuram, maybe Bipuram something कुछ नाम है.
No. He's from Indore.
Yeah. Okay.
MP. Okay. I don't remember his name. His firm is known as MQ. Okay. I don't remember his name. He's a good mentor. Huh?
Okay.
Just ping me. I am having his contact number. I don't remember name as of now, but I will give his contact number. You can coordinate with me. He is
Murali Deshpande.
Yes, sir. Murli, sir. Yes, Mr. Murli Deshpande, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Murli Deshpande ji. You can search in Facebook. He's having Facebook page also, MQ. He's a good option analyst, sir. You can go with it, and he's a good teacher.
If anyone has his number, please.
Just ping me. I am having. I will send you. Don't worry, sir.
Fine.
What was his name?
Sir, one question.
Mr. Murli Deshpande.
Okay. He's on Facebook as well.
He's on Facebook also. He's on Telegram also, sir. Just ping me. I will give you them. I think Santu Baba. Santu Baba, he must be having.
Sure, sir. I'll search in Telegram.
He used to.
Right?
He has taken seminar when I have also attended Santu Baba webinar almost 2.5 years back in Mumbai. He has taken some session. And he is having very safe strategy. Believe me, sir. And good rewards and good logical concept he is having.
आप जो बताया अभी स्ट्रेटजी में लॉन्ग टर्म में बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है.
Sir, long term when you are executing double top, double bottom is very.
आपको ये बताया ना grandfather.
क्या सर? What is sir?
Grandfather, बड़ा कैंडल, वीकली कैंडल.
वो तो देखना है.
वो उसके हिसाब से हम इन्वेस्ट किया तो बहुत अच्छा रहता है लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए.
सर सिंपल थिंग इज दैट पापा कहते हैं सर. पापा कहते हैं वो बेटा करता है और पापा वो कहते हैं जो दादा कहता है सर.
सही बात है सर. अभी जो मैं इसीलिए मैं तब से आपको डिस्टर्ब नहीं किया. सिर्फ मैं आपका जो है देख रहा हूँ. बहुत अच्छा लगा.
सर if you digest the concept now, you can execute the thing automatically.
यही सेम स्ट्रेटेजी थोड़ा मूविंग एवरेज के ऊपर मैं करता हूँ इंट्राडे में.
You can do sir that way sir. You need to work with 3 generation.
Yeah, right? That's true.
Yes. Okay sir. Any other question from anyone?
Sir, this strategy is good for Nifty and Bank Nifty also.
Which one sir?
This one you showed today.
This reversal and all this thing. Yes,
Yes.
Sir, most of the time there is a big GIN candles on intraday, na? You will find such a pattern. I have already shown you on a gold. This is a good, na? It's a downfall. Then again sell.
बैंक निफ्टी एक बार डिस्कस करेंगे.
Okay sir, बैंक निफ्टी. बोलिए सर क्या जानना है? बैंक निफ्टी is a cheater for me, sir. I am not comfortable with bank nifty trading, no, sir. But nifty, I am getting good technicals. Right, sir?
Oh.
Doesn't mean bank nifty is not following technical. It is not matching with my trading style. So most of the time, I just focus on the nifty and trade accordingly on bank nifty, sir. Right, sir? Sir, do you know what is the Einstein theory of relativity? Right, sir? What is Einstein theory of the relativity, sir? Can anyone know, sir?
Sir, if one thing moves, the other will also move.
First, I am focusing in that direction. We dealing with Nifty and Bank Nifty. I am opening the chart of Nifty and accordingly I can take position on Bank Nifty also because HDFC Bank is the biggest contributor of the Bank Nifty, sir.
Yes.
Second one is, which is second one?
TCS, Reliance.
Axis.
Axis Bank, another one. ICICI Bank, SBI, right, sir? Sir, HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank is a big contributor of Nifty also. Right, sir?
Right.
You can accordingly trade with the Einstein theory of relativity by comparison with the move and speed of the simultaneously with other thing. Right, sir? It is not a gut feeling, huh, sir? It's a one type of technical only, sir. Right? Okay, how much percentage is Nifty is moving and how much percentage is Bank Nifty moving? Got it, sir?
Right.
And most of the time they are doing parallel, na? Rarely or out of 10, 1 or 2 days, you are seeing that Nifty and Bank Nifty is getting divorced, right? Na? Out of 10 days, only 10% days you are getting, there is a divorce between Nifty and Bank Nifty. Most of the time, they are following same direction because of the HDFC Bank and ICICI. They are the major contributor of Nifty also. Right, sir? Any other questions? Any other doubts? I am happy to find your questions. Huh? Really, these all are logical. They are not asking me that which stock should I buy, which price should I buy. You are asking me the process, so which definitely grow you also and me also, sir. Because I am also getting ideas. Yes, sir.
सर एक क्वेश्चन जानना है सर, मेरे को क्वेश्चन है अपना. एक्चुअली ये गोल्ड के रिगार्डिंग है. ये ट्रिक के हिसाब से नहीं है, गोल्ड के रिगार्डिंग है थोड़ा. जैसे कि सर आपको मालूम होगा कि गोल्ड जो है हमारे चार्ट के हिसाब से कभी कभी हम काम करते हैं, राइट? तो उसी वक्त हमारे वहाँ पे क्या है कि एक शाम को डेटा आता है जिसको बोलते हैं यूएस के, वहाँ से डेटा कुछ आता है. तो वो सर डेटा वगैरह हम कहाँ से रीड कर सकते हैं? ऐसा कोई फॉर्मूला वगैरह कुछ है डेटा अच्छी तरह से रीड करें?
You can visit MCX site. I don't have any idea, right, sir, of the data because I used to follow chart. Data is just what data is working as a what, sir. Every evening, sir, we are getting the FII data, DI data, sir, right, sir? But which working me as a forecasting means बादल छाए हुए हैं सर, बारिश होगी कि नहीं होगी वो तो कल सुबह निफ्टी खुद बताएगी सर. Then I will open my umbrella or not. Right, sir? It just give us a sentiment idea of the forecasting. That's why I never open SGX Nifty also. I have seen whole night there is many mushroom discussion on SGX Nifty. I never take part because if I really want to follow SGX Nifty early morning, I can see it now. What is the position? I can't change my trade overnight. Right, sir? So if I really want to do study SGX, I will in the morning as a forecasting data. Say what can be in a Nifty opening. Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Any other questions?
सर एक क्वेश्चन है.
हाँ सर बोलिए सर.
सर कल अगर निफ्टी फ्राइडे का लो को तोड़ के गैप डाउन देता है तो व्हाट शुड बी द स्ट्रेटजी? क्या स्ट्रेटजी आप लोगे?
I have already discussed.
It will pull back.
I have already discussed what can be done. I am looking for gap down, then little bit pull back, retesting again, going down. This is my action plan. And if it goes naked eye in front of my eyes below the low of the Friday, I'm looking for bear side. Right, sir?
Okay. Okay.
We can't say as of now what happening tomorrow, I don't know. But I'm ready with my action plan. That's important. Right, sir?
तब तक पुल बैक तक वेट करेंगे, उसके बाद देखेंगे आप कि सेल.
Sir, never when there is a big gap up or gap down in a market, na, don't rush to trade. Wait for a settlement. Market को ठंडा हो जाने दीजिए. Then you will automatically get price action and technicals. Early morning, sir, volume is so much high. It's a very high chance that it may go reverse according to your analysis because volume is very high. It can change the direction any moment. If you want to do trade in first 15 minutes now, you must be very, very, very experienced, because if you want to do trade in first 15 minutes now, common sense work more than technical, no, sir. Believe me. If you find there is no follow-up of first 15 minutes, there is not. There is a huge volume, huge volatility, huge liquidity is there. So there is a very fast up-down movement. It's a very risky time for a novice. Right, sir? If you are experienced, you can deal with it even at a 9:15 also, sir. If you are experienced. Because your eye speaks. Your eye says that this is going to happen according to your experience. Your eye is working as an indicator and oscillator. Okay, sir.
Sir, can you just repeat if I have understood correctly? So you expect Nifty to go down, gap down, yes, and then after pull back after some time, and then again go. If it reaches Friday's low, yes, then you are expecting still very low.
I'm giving you one idea regarding the. Okay, just one thing. Okay. These are 5-minute time frame, right, sir?
Okay.
Okay, sir. These are as of now. This is a 5-minute time frame of Nifty on Friday. Okay. Now, sir, it's a gap down, almost 150-point gap down, sir. Right, okay, now, and after you can see there is no new low, na, sir. Means it's as good as open is equal to low for me, as good as, no?
Yeah.
Not open is equal to low. But it's sustained above it. I am looking for bull side. Simple. If really panic was there after this consolidation, it should go down and it can make new low. But it wasn't. It made double bottom and reversed. Right, sir? Means if really there is a bear strength was there, it may break the day low. Then I can go for sell side. Right, sir? Are you getting the logic, sir?
Yes, yes. Yeah, please proceed.
I am just catching the sentiments of the market based on gap up and gap down. Nifty was unable to make new day low on a 5-minute time frame. In past 15 minutes is very volatile. In spite of volatility, it was unable to make new low. So that's why I was on bull side. And I was in a buy side with a stop loss of 9150. I have said this you live in various groups. Right, sir?
Can I ask a question?
Yes, sir. You can ask any questions. I have muted because there are so much noise. Yes, sir. Any question?
Hello.
Yes, sir.
As you said, sir, in the session, you're always ready with the gun. Your gun is already loaded with to trade in the Nifty because you're a Nifty lover. So just what all the bullets you take in the gun before you shoot out? Just can you brief it to end the summary?
I have already executed.
In short, I'm just in a line.
Just 1 minute. One execution, Nifty gap down, sir. Again, bouncing from here. I am going to my strategy on this thing. This is a double bottom.
Okay.
Right, sir. This is a Darvas box. Right, sir.
Okay.
At 9180, I have executed buy call, sir. With a stop loss of what? 9150. I have shared this trade live with my students also and in my channel also. Those who are part of my Telegram channel, they know this trade. WhatsApp also I have said I am looking for bull side. I have shared that the trade I am looking for bull side. I am only looking bear side below 9150. This was my trade. And 9150 untouched. After this Darvas box, I execute this trade and gap almost filled. Right, sir?
Yes, sir.
Right, gap filled. Then again, I did analysis. I am only looking for a bull side above 930. Otherwise, not. Got it, sir? Again, yes, untouched. Again, made new day low and round top completion. Got it, sir?
Yes.
Clear, sir?
Yes, sir.
This is my execution of the Friday. Nothing rocket science. Huh? Just make your analysis simple, you will be rewarded. But practice, practice, practice. Santu Baba क्या कहते हैं, sir? Nothing comes easy. Practice, practice, practice. Yes, sir. Right now.
Yes, sir.
Nothing comes easy. If you want to be part of the 5% successful trader, oh, of course 5% is also higher side. So you have to think something different out of the box. Huh? With 95% people are not thinking, 5% are thinking, sir. And
so there is a
yes.
There is a on this chart which you are showing.
Yes.
There is a symmetrical pattern, symmetrical triangle also created at 11 a.m.
Here na?
हाँ यहाँ पे सर, यहाँ
yes.
ऊपर, हाँ यहाँ पे exactly.
Now
इसके breakout पे भी हम लोग trade ले सकते हैं ना सर?
Yes, you can do.
Yeah.
I already told you, na, there is not a perfect science. Na? You are seeing this in a symmetric triangle, right? Na? You are right.
Right.
I am seeing this as a Darvas box. Okay. Both are right, na? Both are getting the buy entry, na?
Right. Yeah.
You are also right because you are driving Bullet. I am also right because I am driving Splendor. Both are reaching the destination. Maybe you reach fast, maybe I reach late, but both are reaching the destination. Right, sir?
Right, sir. Thank you.
Technical analysis is not a perfect science. Which science work for me, best for me.
Hello.
Any other questions, sir?
Yeah. Do you have any presentation for open interest as well?
Pardon, sir?
Open interest. इस पे आपको कुछ presentation है या फिर?
Open interest I rarely did. I just do analysis based on open interest. If there is any call side, any OTM price is having highest open interest, this is considered as a strong resistance. In a put size, OTM is having highest open interest, it's considered as a strong support. Right, sir? And if you check on the chart also, you may find almost same thing on chart also. Got it, sir? I rarely open option data, huh, sir. I rarely open because price action are enough for me. If I open option data, na, I may confuse myself.
Do you trade on stocks? If yes,
rarely.
How do you pick up the stocks for intraday?
Rarely, sir. Rarely I go for stocks. Huh? I'm happy with 50. And if I am going for this stocks, na, of course, let me show you the execution of the Reliance of Friday.
And show us,
yes,
for
sir.
you, even lot size matters for Nifty, like 1 lot, 2 lot, 100 lots?
Depends.
Okay.
Sir, lots doesn't matter, profit matters. If I am a intraday M2M plus, I'm happy, sir. Maybe 1 lot, maybe 10 lot, don't matter. Important is I should be in a profit. Clear, sir?
Clear.
If I am getting good trade, I may trade more lots. If I am getting risk, I may trade 1 lots. Right now? This risk management and all this position sizing is also important, sir. If you are getting good trade, you must go for a higher quantity based on its Reliance. Okay. Sir, I have also said the analysis Reliance is going to blast above 1390 on Friday. Why? If you all have gone through my strategy like double top, double bottom and all this is a very common strategy. You must find a reason why I was bullish above 1390 on Friday. This trade I have executed and shared live also. Is a double top, sir? Huh? It was a double top and it was blasted above it, sir. So don't consider double top is only reversal pattern. It can be continuation pattern also if you get a good breakout. Clear, sir? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Sir, 55 chats are there. Don't type here. Sir, you can ask me face to face. Jinda aadmi aapke paas. Because many people has said for Facebook group of the Murli sir also. You can go for it, sir. Okay, sir. Any question? Or it's done?
Done, sir.
Okay.
What is your
sir.
Telegram ID?
Done.
Sir, just ping me, sir. My mobile number is 97-277-83339. I will definitely send you all the Telegram link and all this. 97-277-83339 is my mobile number, right, sir?
Yeah.
Okay, friends. Thank you very much for a valuable participation, valuable question answer session, discussion. It will help me grow myself also, sir. Right, sir? And I am not a SEBI registered research analyst. I am an ASM certified research analyst. I am an MP certified mutual fund advisor. So all the things which I have gone through, it is all for learning purpose. You can do own analysis and do trade accordingly, sir.
Thank you very much for the session, sir.
Your profit is dedicated to you. Your loss is also dedicated to you. Your trader itself is responsible for the trade, because F1, F2 is being praised by trader himself, not by opposite person. We are the only one to take the decision whether buy call or sell call. So take responsibility of your own trade. This is the only way to be expert in this market. Okay, friends.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Good night, sir. Good night, friends.
Thank you.